Well, good day, my friends. Bruce here. Well, it's time for the annual yard tour. It's late July. The yard still won't be in its full glory for another 3 weeks or so, but I still like to do it around my birthday. We're having a little get-together this afternoon, as a matter of fact. I was just on Mixed live stream from Mixed Mowers and told my friends there that we were having a party this afternoon. My wife's gone and bought some steaks for the old Bobby. So let's just have a little walk around. So this lettuce here is almost toast. This is a romaine, it's ready. And then we have some spinach that's just going to seed now over there. Beets, they're ready. We had some last night. A new second plant of radishes. Green onions or salad onions. Carrots are just coming on now. And tomatoes, they're always late here in Canada because we only get, I don't know, 12 weeks of growing season, maybe 16, but they're coming. We like our little walkways and things. Sorry, go slow. So here we have a few pansies just to fill in the corner. And we've got some pots below the window. These are impatiens. There's some hosta just across the little sidewalk. We'll come back here later. More pansies. Now this is nice. These will bloom. These are tiger lilies. Tiger lilies. They will bloom in about another couple of weeks, which will give us some fall color. That's the bloom off the hosta. Goldenrod back there, they're done. They bloom in the spring. I got a list. I think this is verbenum. And cranesbill, million bells, a small petunia. So let's go over to the fun side. Apples are coming. We'll get apples just under the size of a Macintosh. That's coming for Western Canada, not on the coast, in the prairies. That's pretty nice bunch of apples. They're weighing down the branches already. Oh. Some geraniums along the side of the garage just to add a little color. I'll back up a little bit. You can see my corn. Our corn, excuse me. And then we'll just walk around the apple tree. And we have kohlrabi and pumpkin. Now they got a long ways to go, but it'll really happen in the next 6 weeks. This is a pepper plant. And these babies, well, you got to wash your hands before and after when you're working with those. Back to our geraniums, right? Just chives for decoration. There's 4 of them. One over there. Where are we? There, there, and there, just to frame out the garden. And we have bigger onions over here that are coming. There's red and whites. And everybody's favorite, fresh garden peas. Beans over there. Clematis. Climbing on the arch. Beans, potatoes, and more peppers in that other oak barrel over there. Little bird waterer in the back. And there's our big old poplar tree that we like to sit underneath. I know it's a poplar, but it throws some nice shade right through here where these chairs are in the afternoon. This is where I keep the running herd, 2 snowblowers and two yard tractors. Potentilla. Ferns, lots of ferns. They're 4 feet tall. Delphinium. These are 6 feet tall. Oh, look at that, a poplar tree snuck in there. Just an added couple petunias down in the bottom here to add a little color to the perennials in midsummer. My country's flag. Poppies, different colors. This is a columbine. That's the red deer city flower. It's beautiful, eh, with its little tails on there. And then right on the sidewalk here going out to the front is more of these, I think that's verbellum. Daylilies here along the sidewalk. They're doing great this year. They must like the heat. And then we have potted petunias. Lots of them. There's a million bell up there hanging. And petunias in the pots here along the deck. And then 4 herbs, 2 different kinds of basil, oregano, and then rosemary. It's my favorite. And then up on the deck here, we've got 3 begonias. And these begonias, we just put them under the stairs over the winter this year and then brought them upstairs in the spring, and away they went again. And aren't they beautiful? Okay. A little pan of the yard. Apple tree there. And that was the million bells I showed you from underneath. A lot of different colors in there. Oops. I'm going to turn you off now, and we're going to go out front. Oh, we'll just walk out front. I was going to do this in one take. We'll see if I can do it. Rain barrel. So that takes water off the roof. Excuse me. I got my little stickeroo for the gate here. Okay. So right on the end here is a bleeding heart. And it's huge this year. Very few left. Nasturtiums, you can eat the leaves on these guys, and they're really starting to happen. And I recycle, or whatever, I keep the seeds from year to year. More petunias, of course. Glads, and look at this. These glads are ready to bloom just shortly. And then some geraniums along the house. And this is where the big old tree used to be, right here. It had a 46-inch trunk and it went up 60 feet tall. And we took that tree out, re-landscaped the entire front. Pardon me, I'll go back. And then we planted that little Ming cherry. So there we are. I had not seen that before. Welcome, friends, that's new. I had not seen that. And then a friend of ours painted this. We've had it up on the house for years. And she painted that. So let's just walk to the back now. And back to the deck. So back in that corner back there is the maintenance man's area. We won't worry about that right now. And then this end of the shed is all our keepsakes from when we go to Mexico. So thanks for this, everybody. Oh, look at that. Well, I just might have to eat that guy. Thank you.